Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is absolutely going to blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury concept motorhome, and I have to be honest with you, when I first saw this thing, I had to stop and ask myself if this was even real. This is not your average RV, this is not your average bus, this is not even your average supercar. This is something completely on another level, and today we are going to break down every single detail, the exterior, the interior, the performance, and of course, the price that is going to make your jaw drop. Let's start with what you can see immediately, and that is this jaw-dropping exterior. The entire body of this machine is wrapped in a stunning white marble finish. Yes, you heard that right, marble. The vehicle has a full custom body wrap that mimics the look of premium Calacatta marble, with those beautiful gray veining lines running across the entire surface. It gives this massive motorhome an almost architectural quality, like someone took a luxury penthouse and decided to put it on wheels. The lines are incredibly clean and aerodynamic, with a dramatically sloped front end and a massive panoramic windshield that curves across the entire front face of the vehicle. The silhouette is 2 stories tall, giving it that double-decker presence that commands every single road it drives on. Moving around to the wheels, and these are not just any wheels. We are talking massive multi-spoke chrome alloy rims that look like they belong on a hypercar, not a motorhome. The stance is extremely low and wide, giving it a planted, aggressive look that you would never normally associate with a vehicle this size. There are dual rear axles on this beast, which not only adds to the dramatic visual effect but is absolutely necessary to support the weight of all that luxury sitting on top. The lighting system is full LED with a sleek DRL strip across the front, and that iconic Mercedes 3-pointed star sits front and center, reminding you exactly who built this masterpiece. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where things get truly incredible. When you step inside the 2026 Mercedes luxury concept motorhome, you are not stepping into a vehicle, you are stepping into a 5-star hotel suite. The main living level features floor-to-ceiling glass windows running the full length of the coach, flooding the interior with natural light and giving passengers panoramic views of wherever the journey takes them. The materials inside are nothing short of extraordinary. We are talking hand-stitched leather seating, real wood panel accents, polished stone countertops, and custom ambient lighting throughout every zone of the coach. The lower deck is designed as the primary living and entertaining space, with a full-size kitchen, a dining area, and a lounge that can seat multiple guests comfortably. The upper deck is where the sleeping quarters and master suite are located, finished in the same premium materials you would find in a Mercedes Maybach S-Class. There is a full-size master bedroom with a custom bed, integrated storage, and a private bathroom featuring gold-tone fixtures and a rain shower. Every single corner of this interior has been obsessed over, and the result is something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a rolling mansion. In terms of entertainment and technology, this concept is loaded. There are multiple large format displays integrated into the walls, a premium surround sound audio system, full climate control with multiple zones, and of course satellite connectivity for entertainment and navigation no matter where on Earth you happen to be. This is the kind of vehicle that tech billionaires and heads of state dream about. Now let's get into the performance. While Mercedes has not released the full official powertrain specifications for this concept in its final form, what we do know is that a vehicle of this caliber is being engineered around a next-generation hybrid powertrain system. We are looking at a turbocharged diesel base paired with an electric motor assist system, producing an estimated output in the range of 700 to 900 horsepower. This is designed to handle the enormous weight of the coach while still delivering smooth, comfortable cruising on the highway. The suspension system is a fully adaptive air suspension setup that automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring that the ride quality inside feels as smooth as a private jet. The air management system also allows the vehicle to lower itself when parked, improving accessibility and giving it that sleek, aggressive stance you see in these images. The braking system is equally impressive, with massive ventilated discs on all axles supported by electronic stability control and a full suite of Mercedes-Benz driver assistance technologies. We are talking lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera systems giving the driver a complete view of this massive machine at all times. And now the question everyone wants answered, the price. This is a one-of-a-kind, bespoke build, and price estimates for this level of custom luxury coach start at approximately $3 million and can easily climb to $5 million or more depending on the exact specification and customization options chosen by the client. For that price, you are getting the most luxurious rolling home ever built, a piece of automotive art, and honestly, a vehicle that will turn heads on every single road in every single country on Earth. This is the future of luxury travel, and Mercedes has once again proven that they are in a class completely of their own. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this on the road? I would love to know. Until next time, stay passionate about cars, and we will see you in the next one.